An AC technician says it just requires a little bit of maintenance on your end, and it's going to save you hundreds if not thousands of dollars. And really, it's not that much work. All you have to do is make sure the AC unit is clean and that there's nothing in its way while it's working, making sure your home is cool. Another hot day, another service call.
We got a no cool, so people are not getting any air conditioning.
Steven Gamps is a senior tech at Gettle Air Conditioning and Plumbing.
Then first thing I'm going to do is check for power. Do you mind showing me where the thermostat is?
Kevin Steelman is the owner. The bedrooms in his house aren't getting any cool air. It's so hot, he has to hang out downstairs.
I mean, you can definitely feel the heat, the difference when you step up those stairs. I mean, it's like a blanket goes over you.
Your motors, your capacitors fail. I'd say that's the most common problem. Motors are like old cars, they can overheat.
That usually happens because most attics are extremely
hot. I'll bet it's 130 up here.
Gamps estimates that 70% of repairs are done to the air conditioner. He says most people fail to keep it clean.
Have your system looked at, rejuvenated once a year. Don't mess with your thermostat too much. Don't go up, down, up, down. You find a temperature you're comfortable at, just leave it there. Don't let bushes or shrubs grow up into your air conditioner. This right here is how it's breathing.
If your AC has wires sticking out just like this one, Gamps encourages you to get it fixed. It's a safety hazard.
Good news is we found the problem.
But the solution can be expensive. Motors cost between $400 to $1,200. As for Steelman,
I'm thinking this guy will be able to fix it though.
he'll keep a better eye on his entire AC unit. And a simple tip for you, get 2 to 3 estimates before you get any repairs done, since companies across the valley all have different prices. But really the key here is just keep up with the maintenance. It'll save you hundreds, if not, like I said, thousands of dollars. Reporting, Cynthia Maldonado, 13 Action News.
I just feel bad for that poor guy who has to be out there working all day with no air conditioning.